Hi, my name is Jeremy Gibbs. I am the Basic Peace Officer Certification Program Coordinator here at Metro Tech. One of the biggest challenges and obstacles that law enforcement faces during an active shooter threat is, number one, eliminating the threat as quickly as possible and to make sure that we're safeguarding lives and being able to protect the public. These drills are highly effective. This is kind of the national standard for active shooter response. These drills help prepare students for any kind of active threat, whether that be on a school campus, a hospital, or anywhere where there's a large gathering of people. It helps them to determine where the threat is and immediately learn skills to be able to address that.